Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or replace battery of your garage door, remote or phone, and which type of battery you will have in this type of remote. So you see I have my garage door remote as this. The battery is not working and is not functioning properly. So here very simple, we have one screw, you can see, and you need a Phillips 4-headed screwdriver, simple, nothing else, to hold it and loose it. Is done. Okay, now we take this off from here. You see the battery, you don't need to take out all. This is a battery. This is not AAA mode, it's smaller battery. So you lose as any battery of your remote. You see how is the battery. Golden power, alkaline, super P plus US. I think this is A23S is the battery in this case. If we go online to my phone, put in Google A23S battery, you see here, and we go here the image to confirm. This is the battery. You see how small this is. Not exactly, this is look different here. This is Energizer or other you can buy. AI mode to check. Alkaline battery 500 lithium is A23. You see pila, that means battery in Spanish. So you have to buy new one similar as this. See here bottom the spring, so the bottom part always the spring part will be okay, and you have to put simple, very simple and basic as you put your battery, or you can take this out as this as well if you want to assemble properly. So here we go, here is done. You see how it is the circuit board. Don't touch anything middle. You have one hole, that hole should be matched here. You see this way, see how it is perfect, it's matching all the place. The battery sits here. Now you have to close this one, and you have the screw here. You have to tighten this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.